hey Brett, what's new with the truck?
Not much. Just came out to Byron Dragway here, and we're going to see if the track will hold the power today. We're hoping to run. The world record right now is a 744 at 187, so we're going to see if we can come close to it or maybe even break it. We've made some changes since the last time I was here out at Byron. The truck used to be a triple turbo truck. Now it's a single precision 102 Pro Mod Charger. I got 4 stages of nitrous on it. It's a Wagler competition engine built by Matt Hatfield out of Danville. Danville Performance is also a huge sponsor of mine, and Exergy Performance helps me out on the fuel system with it. Hopefully the weather's right. It's kind of wet out here right now, so hopefully they get the track dried and we can go out there and see how much power we could put down.
Good luck.
Thank you.
For Brett Deutsch in a 69 Chevy C10 pickup truck, Byron Dragway. You are just a witness to history. What a run, 728, 175 miles per hour for the Duramax of Brett Deutsch. What a run. He was hoping to be 744 or better. That's what he needed, 744 or better. He will raise the stakes, 728 with a 9, and Byron Dragway is now in the history books with Brett Deutsch for the quickest Duramax run for the Pro Stock diesel truck.
Yeah! I'll tell you what, there you go. I don't ever want to do that again. That's a wild. That's wild. That is fucking wild.
Yes!
That is wild. Wow.
You should stand behind it and watch it.
Man.
Yeah, that was
At the
something else,
beginning, we were
right?
like, "Ooh."
Hold your sticky foot, Brett.
Oh.
Get the fuck out of here, really? Wow.
Dad, is that your fastest?
Oh.
Ever, yeah, fastest everything.
I'll give you a trophy.
Come here, buddy.
Oh my.
It doesn't matter to me, honestly.
Congratulations,
Honestly,
Brett.
thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. We ended up, yeah. I gotta go.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
That was worth it.
Good job, huh?
Wow.
Good job.
Yeah, right.
It worked.
Thank you.
Nice.
We laid that wheel